been a long time since what you just saw. It's currently 2025, and now the RC empire grew. That's the one that started it all. This was originally Gravedigger, but then got moved to Scully. Body's up there. However, I've been recently using this Mini Jam body a lot. My friends at Mini Jam made the Wild Thing body for me, commissioned, painted, all. And that's what sits on top of that body. After that truck, we have the Stampede 4x4. Got a couple of spare bodies on top of it. You got a trophy truck Bigfoot and Scully on top. Then we got the older Bigfoot. It's my third truck. Got it around my birthday. Now, earlier for Christmas. Didn't ask, but I got it. Got this new 4x4 Bigfoot from based off of the truck from the 90s. And yeah, this is 4x4, completely new parts. Unlike the other bodies where it has clips, it's actually built into the inside. If you could see, it's a completely different system. And the truck looks gorgeous. I just took a few rips inside the house, and now that all the snow melted, I'm gonna take that for a rip. And take the old truck for a rip. Up there we got our minis. Traxxas 116 Gravedigger, and then the Mini LMT Gravedigger. Got this some random Christmas many years ago, I forgot, and then the LMT got it back at Digger's Dungeon during the summer last year. See, I'm thinking, gonna bring out the old baby, bring out the new baby. We're gonna see which one's better in your opinion. Sure to send a comment down. Old or new. I'm also gonna be driving these two trucks at the old compound, which is literally my front yard. Right, that one little spot that I drove that little truck when it was Gravedigger. Me and my bro were driving. Now I'm gonna test these two trucks out, see how they hold up. See how the old truck still handles many years later. I think I got the truck 2011, I believe. And yeah, it's 2025. It's been a hell of a lot of time. And then we'll see how the new baby handles.
My face collapsed, I've waited hours, my time's elapsed, now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that, I've left behind this little fact, you cannot kill what you did not create. I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away, but I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last, my future seems like one big past, you left with me, cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my got is insane. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. I push my fingers into my